So, and we are working with Opto 22 on the Groove Epic. It integrates nicely with Ignition natively, and we're using this as the edge computing device and data analytics platform to facilitate edge capabilities. And one thing that's really cool with this is the functionality is up with other major PLC platforms, but we have the visualization built in to the PLC. So one thing that kind of takes extra time in the field is sometimes the customers want different HMIs with the same PLC, so you have to rewrite everything for that PLC. And the HMI itself is can be rather expensive. For example, like a panel view plus screen, varies between $4,000 and $8,000 depending on your platform. But with this, the video drivers are all built into the PLC itself with an HDMI output. So you can use any industrial touchscreen on the front of the panel, or you can hook it directly up to any HDMI screen. So you can bring a cheap monitor to the field if you want to. Not all your locations will even require having an HMI, because you can log into this from your laptop. You could be in your truck, connect to this.
Oh, it's a web server?
It's a web server.
Okay.
So you can see it directly on your laptop. So you might not even need a screen in the field. But if you do,
can the Groove Epic power its own screen?
Yes.
External?
Yes.
Okay.
It has its own HDMI and USB connections on it.
Running on Linux?
Basically, yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Sweet.
So, and here's just some examples of our work with Top Tech. And then here's an Allen Bradley implementation we did. We actually built this.
Is that Trina?
That's Trina. Yep. And we had a location that was under a tight deadline, and we have them staying in an apartment out in Pecos. We needed them to program it overnight. We couldn't bring them back to our shop to work overnight, so we brought it to them.
Nice.
And so in here, the kitchen's right there, bathroom's right there. There's a bed right here. This is just a tiny little studio apartment they're working out of, and they were able to work 24/7 to make this thing sing for the field.